video I will show you how to fix music failed to play tracks error on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down. Scroll down and click on music app from here. And click on music player and click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache music, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.